Let's see what Formever looks like in action. We'll use a system that's been customized for Nuco Engineering. It's specific to their company, but it will give you an idea of the look and feel, and perhaps suggest how a system could be customized for your company. You can see that their logo and brand colors have been incorporated throughout the forms and reports. Now let's look at some data entry using two of the most important forms for this company. To access the timesheets, we click on the Timesheets icon. This opens up a selection list showing all of the previously filed timesheets. If we click on an item in that list, we open that timesheet for review and can edit it if we like. We'll shred this copy and get a blank form to fill in. To enter a new timesheet, just click on the Get Blank Form button. Select a staff member from the pop-up list. On the detail line, select a sub-project for that staff member, then enter the number of hours worked. A supervisor can also adjust the hours to be billed or decide to hold back the time to be billed later. Fill in enough detail lines to account for the day's time. Once complete, simply click on the File button to enter the timesheet into the system. The next most commonly used form is the expense form. Click on the expense form icon to open the selection list. Click on the Get Blank Form button. Select a staff member from the pop-up list. Select a sub-project to charge the expense to. Record all the purchase details one per line. For a billable sub-project, you can select whether the expense is recoverable or not by checking or unchecking the choice box. Once all of the purchases have been entered, click on the File button to enter the expense form into the system. Now let's look at a project where this information is being funneled to. We click on the project icon to open the project selection list. Open an existing project form by clicking on the list. From this form, we can click on the Dashboard button to give us a dashboard report view for this particular project. Top-line numbers like profitability are given above, while details are listed below. And of course, we can also get a different report view of the same data by running a separate set of reports. We click on the Report Requester icon to open up the selection list of firm-wide reports. We can select multiple reports at the same time by checking multiple boxes. With a report like Current Fees by Timesheet and Expense Payment Summary, we can get an overall picture of time and expenses. After checking the boxes, we click on Generate Selected Reports to produce them. The information hasn't just been gathered up into projects, it's also fed directly into the firm's books. If we go back to the Report Requester, we can select the General Ledger Summary and the Balance Sheet, which have instantly been updated with the latest information from the timesheets and expense forms. After checking the two boxes, we again click on Generate Selected Reports. This is just the beginning of the possibilities. Contact us for a quick conversation about how you can get a system that's customized for your company and the way you do business.